Let me ask you a serious question. If you could buy just one ETF, one single investment before January 2026, and hold it for the next 10, 20, or even 30 years, what should it be? Not the most exciting ETF. Not the highest yield ETF. Not the one everyone is hyping on social media. But the one ETF that has quietly built more long-term wealth than almost anything else available to everyday investors. Today, we are talking about VU, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And by the end of this video, you will understand why VU may be the single most important ETF you can own before 2026, why waiting could cost you an entire decade of compounding, why VU keeps winning even when investors chase trends, and why many portfolios fail not because they picked bad ETFs but because they never committed to one great one. This is not hype. This is math, history, and behavior. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's start at the beginning. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. What VU actually is. VU is simple. And that's exactly why it works. VU tracks the S&P 500 index, which represents 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. When you buy VU, you are buying Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia, Meta, Berkshire Hathaway, Johnson & Johnson, Exxon, Visa, and hundreds more. You are not betting on one CEO. You are not betting on one sector. You are not betting on one trend. You are betting on American business itself. And here's what most people misunderstand. VU is not static. The S&P 500 removes losers and replaces them with winners. Companies that fall behind get kicked out. New innovators get added. Which means VU is constantly evolving, without you lifting a finger. You don't need to rebalance it. You don't need to manage it. You don't need to guess. You simply own it. Why boring beats everything? VU is boring. And that's its superpower. Every year, investors chase the hottest stock, the newest ETF, the highest dividend yield, the next big thing, and every year, most of them underperform the market. Why? Because human behavior is the enemy of compounding. VU removes emotion. You don't panic sell individual stocks. You don't obsess over earnings calls. You don't rotate sectors every 6 months. You stay invested. And staying invested is where wealth is built. Over long periods of time, the S&P 500 has delivered roughly 10% annually on average. That may not sound exciting. But let me show you what boring actually looks like. $10,000 invested at 10% for 30 years becomes over $170,000. No trading. No timing. No stress. Just patience. Why 2026 matters. Now let's talk about why January 2026 matters. This is not about predicting a crash. This is not about timing the market. This is about positioning. Between now and 2026, interest rate cycles may shift, earnings growth may normalize, AI productivity may expand, market leadership may rotate, and historically, the biggest gains often happen before investors feel comfortable again. The worst mistake long-term investors make is waiting for certainty. Certainty comes after the gains. VU doesn't require perfect timing. But the earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Time in the market beats timing the market, every single time. Why most investors fail with ETFs. Here's a hard truth. Most investors don't fail because they choose bad ETFs. They fail because they never stick with one. They jump from VU QQQ SCHD yield ETFs back to growth, back to cash. Every switch resets compounding. VU rewards consistency. If you buy it, monthly, quarterly, automatically, and you don't touch it, VU does the work for you. The market doesn't need you to be smart. It needs you to be patient. VU versus better alternatives. You might be thinking, what about VTI? What about SCHD? What about QQQ? They're all good. But VU sits at the center. More focused than VTI, less volatile than QQQ, more growth-oriented than SCHD. VU doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be reliable. And historically, it has been. The psychology of holding VU. VU helps you sleep at night. You don't wake up worrying about one stock collapsing. You don't check prices every hour. You let capitalism work. And that mental freedom matters more than people realize. Because the investor who stays invested always beats the investor who panics. As we reach the end of this video, I want you to pause for a moment. Not to think about charts. Not to think about headlines. Not to think about predictions. But to think about time. Because investing success is not about finding the perfect ETF. It's about finding a good one, and holding it long enough for time to do the heavy lifting. And that's where VU stands apart. VU doesn't promise excitement. It doesn't promise overnight wealth. It doesn't promise to beat the market, because it is the market. And history has shown us, again and again, that owning the market beats trying to outsmart it. Every crisis. Every recession. Every war. Every rate hike. Every bubble. The S&P 500 survived. Adapted. Recovered. And moved higher. And VU captured all of it. The real reason VU works. VU works not because it's complex, but because it protects you from yourself. It stops you from chasing hype. It stops you from panic selling. It stops you from overtrading. VU rewards the investor who shows up consistently, stays invested during uncertainty, thinks in decades, not months. That's how real wealth is built. Quietly. Patiently. Relentlessly. Why before January 2026 matters. January 2026 isn't a prediction. It's a deadline for discipline. A reminder that the best time to invest is rarely when you feel comfortable. It's usually when you feel uncertain, hesitant, or bored. Waiting for clarity often means missing compounding. And compounding doesn't wait. Every year delayed is a year you can never get back. Is VU perfect? No. VU will go down. There will be years where it underperforms other ETFs. There will be drawdowns. There will be volatility. But perfection has never built wealth. Consistency has. And over full market cycles, VU has been one of the most consistent wealth building tools ever created for everyday investors. The final truth. If you spend the next decade, searching for the next big thing, constantly switching ETFs, trying to time tops and bottoms, you may stay busy. But you may not build wealth. But if you choose one strong foundation, invest regularly, ignore the noise, let time work, you give yourself the best possible odds. And for many investors, especially those who want simplicity, growth, and peace of mind, that foundation is VU. You don't need to predict the future. You just need to participate in it. And owning VU is one of the simplest ways to do exactly that. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions. If this video helped you think long term, consider subscribing for deep dive ETF and retirement investing content. Thank you for watching. Stay patient. Stay invested. And let compounding work.